Here are some of the biggest aircraft in the world. First up, we have the Messerschmitt Me-163B Comet. This small yet revolutionary aircraft, measuring only 5.9 meters in length, was a rocket-powered interceptor developed by Germany during World War II. Though compact, it reached speeds that seemed impossible at the time. Moving up in size, the Ilya Muromets, with a length of 17.5 meters, was one of the world's earliest heavy bombers. Built in Russia during World War I, its wingspan of nearly 30 meters helped it carry loads that set records in its day. Then there's the Kalinin K-7, a Soviet experimental aircraft with a unique design and a wingspan of 53 meters. At 28 meters long, it was as much an engineering experiment as it was a functional aircraft, but it played a crucial role in the development of heavy lift designs. The Messerschmitt Me-323, a true giant from World War II, was designed for heavy transport with a length of 28.2 meters, or about 92 feet, and a massive wingspan of 55.2 meters, roughly 181 feet. This six-engine beast could carry tanks, troops, and supplies across Europe, and though it wasn't fast or well-armed, its enormous size made it crucial for moving resources. Among more familiar names, the Boeing 737-200 comes next, measuring 30.5 meters in length. While modest by today's standards, this model was revolutionary for commercial aviation, offering efficient travel to millions worldwide. Another iconic aircraft, the Boeing 314 Clipper, stretches to 32 meters, with an impressive wingspan of 46 meters. Known as a flying boat, this luxurious aircraft once carried passengers across oceans in the 1930s and 40s, symbolizing the height of elegance in air travel. As we move forward in history, let's take a look at the Boeing 737-400. With a length of 36 meters and a wingspan of 29 meters, this aircraft helped usher in a new era of efficient, reliable, and affordable air travel, and it quickly became a staple in commercial aviation fleets worldwide. Now we come to the Airbus A320, an aircraft that redefined short to medium-haul flights. At 37.6 meters in length and with a wingspan of 35.8 meters, this aircraft combined cutting-edge technology with passenger comfort, making it one of the most popular airliners of all time. The Dornier DuX, a massive flying boat from 1929, had a wingspan of 47.8 meters and carried up to 169 passengers in luxury. Despite its ambitious design, it struggled with range and efficiency, marking it as a bold yet short-lived symbol of early aviation. The Boeing 737-800, slightly larger at 40 meters, continued the Boeing legacy of efficient, high-capacity aircraft. Its wingspan of 34 meters made it suitable for airports worldwide, while offering airlines greater fuel efficiency. Now, the Me-26 Halo, standing as the largest helicopter in the world. At 40 meters or 130 feet in length, and with a rotor span of 32 meters or 105 feet, it can lift nearly 20 tons. This powerhouse is designed for the toughest missions, reaching places that no other aircraft can, from Siberia to mountain ranges worldwide. Next up is the Douglas XB-19. This behemoth of a bomber was built during World War II, and with its 40.3-meter length and an impressive wingspan of 64.6 meters, it showcased the possibilities of heavy lift design. Though it never saw combat, it served as a valuable prototype for future bombers. The Boeing 737 MAX 9 takes us further into modern aviation. With a length of 42.16 meters and a wingspan of 35.9 meters, this plane brought advanced fuel efficiency and improved range, keeping the Boeing 737 family at the forefront of commercial aviation. The Boeing 737-10 MAX is the longest in the 737 family, stretching 43.8 meters. Its wingspan of 35.9 meters allowed it to fit into standard airport gates, yet it could carry more passengers, making it a game-changer for high-demand routes. Another impressive aircraft, the Kawasaki C2, was developed by Japan as a tactical transport plane. With a length of 43.9 meters and a wingspan of 44.4 meters, this aircraft offers versatility in both civilian and military operations, especially for transporting heavy cargo. Moving on, the Airbus A321 brings us a 45-meter-long jet known for its versatility and efficiency. Its 34-meter wingspan helped it become a popular choice for both domestic and international flights. The Airbus A310-300, measuring 46.6 meters with a wingspan of 44 meters, was one of Airbus's early twin-engine designs and opened up medium and long-haul options for airlines looking to balance capacity with fuel efficiency. The massive Convair B-36 Peacemaker was an intercontinental bomber with an incredible wingspan of 70 meters and a length of 49 meters. Its design pushed the boundaries of military aviation during the Cold War era. Next, we have the Airbus A300. At 53.6 meters in length, with a wingspan of 44.8 meters, it was the world's first twin-engine wide-body aircraft, setting the standard for commercial aviation and inspiring generations of Airbus designs. Another notable aircraft, the Lockheed L-1011 TriStar, with a length of 54 meters and wingspan of 47 meters, was one of the first to feature an advanced autopilot system for landing. This feature made it a safe and reliable choice for airlines. The McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender followed, a tanker aircraft with a length of 55 meters and a wingspan of over 50 meters. Its design allowed it to refuel other planes mid-air, extending the range of military missions worldwide. Then, there's the Airbus Beluga, a truly unique plane with a length of 56.15 meters and an enormous wingspan of 44.84 meters. Its distinctive shape allowed it to transport oversized cargo, especially aircraft parts, across continents. The Antonov An-22 stands as one of the largest turboprop aircraft, with a length of 57.9 meters and a wingspan of 64 meters. This Soviet-designed transport aircraft was built to carry heavy cargo to remote areas, and it still holds records for its class. The North American XB-70 Valkyrie was an experimental bomber with a sleek, futuristic design. At 56.4 meters long, its 32-meter wingspan allowed it to reach near supersonic speeds, testing the limits of high-altitude flight. Another giant, the McDonnell Douglas MD-11, stretched to 61.6 meters, with a wingspan of 52 meters. Known for its long-haul capacity, it was a workhorse for international flights and cargo transport. At 62.1 meters, the Concorde was a marvel of its time, with a relatively short wingspan of 26 meters. This supersonic passenger jet became an icon of luxury travel, crossing the Atlantic in record time. Then we have the Airbus Beluga XL, an upgraded version of the Beluga, at 63.1 meters long and with a 60.3-meter wingspan. Its expanded capacity allows it to transport even larger cargo, like sections of other Airbus planes. Standing out as a true aviation marvel, the Hughes H-4 Hercules, also known as the Spruce Goose, has a length of 66.7 meters and a record-breaking wingspan of 97.8 meters. This giant flying boat was only flown once but still holds a place in history. Now, the Boeing 787-10 is a modern example of engineering excellence. At 68 meters in length and with a wingspan of 60 meters, it offers unparalleled fuel efficiency and passenger comfort for long-haul flights. The Antonov An-124 Ruslin, another massive Ukrainian-built transport plane, measures 69.1 meters in length and has a wingspan of 73 meters. This heavyweight champion was designed to carry enormous cargo loads. The classic Boeing 747, known as the Queen of the Skies, has a length of 70.6 meters and a wingspan of 59.6 meters. This iconic aircraft revolutionized global travel, making it accessible to millions. Even larger, the Boeing Dreamlifter measures 71.7 meters with a wingspan of 64.4 meters. This specialized cargo plane was designed to transport oversized Boeing 787 parts around the world. One of the largest passenger jets, the Airbus A380, stretches 72.7 meters in length, with a wingspan of 79.8 meters. This double-decker behemoth offers luxury and capacity like no other, defining long-haul travel for years. The scaled composite Stratolaunch, developed for launching rockets, is one of the longest aircraft in history at 73 meters, with a record-breaking wingspan of 117 meters, making it the largest aircraft by wingspan ever built. Finally, the Airbus A350-1000, a modern marvel of engineering in commercial aviation. Measuring 74 meters or 242 feet in length, and with a wingspan of 64.75 meters, or 212 feet. This sleek airliner sets new standards in efficiency and comfort for international travel, showcasing the future of long-haul aviation. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is a true heavy-lift transport aircraft, measuring 75.3 meters long with a wingspan of 67.9 meters. It can carry tanks, helicopters, and more across continents. The Airbus A340-600, known for its elegance and power, spans 75 meters in length with a wingspan of 63 meters. It offered a high-capacity, long-range option for airlines worldwide. Moving to the Boeing 747-8F, the longest variant of the 747 series. This aircraft is 76.3 meters in length with a wingspan of 68.4 meters. It combined the classic 747 design with modern upgrades, making it a favorite for cargo transport. The Boeing 777-9 is one of Boeing's latest, with a length of 76.7 meters and a wingspan of 71.75 meters. This advanced model offers more range and efficiency than ever before. Finally, we reach the absolute giants. The Antonov An-225 Mriya was a one-of-a-kind, with a length of 84 meters and a wingspan of 88.4 meters. Designed to carry enormous payloads, it was the heaviest aircraft in the world. Among these giants, we can't overlook the unique and mysterious Caspian Sea monster. Officially known as the Lewin-class Ekranoplan, this colossal machine was neither a traditional airplane nor a boat, but a ground-effect vehicle designed to skim just above the water's surface. At a massive 92 meters in length and with a wingspan of 37.6 meters, it was built by the Soviet Union during the Cold War for rapid, stealthy, low-altitude transport over water. The LZ-127 Graf Zeppelin was a luxury airship like no other, stretching 237 meters. It offered passengers private cabins, dining areas, and panoramic views from the skies. In 1929, it became the first airship to circle the globe, marking a golden era of aviation. Though its time was brief, it left an unforgettable legacy. The Hindenburg, at 245 meters long, was the largest airship ever built, symbolizing the height of luxury air travel in the 1930s. With spacious cabins, dining rooms, and even a smoking lounge, it offered passengers an unmatched experience in the skies. Tragically, the Hindenburg met a devastating end in 1937, when it caught fire during landing in New Jersey. This disaster marked the end of the airship era, but the Hindenburg remains a powerful reminder of both the ambition and risks of early aviation history.